Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this sturdy, strong and absolutely easy 3D frame. So actually you can put your 3D quilled designs inside the frame so that it is very easier to decorate your handmade designs. Many times we create different projects and it's difficult to put it somewhere without any support. So this is the best idea. You can put your beautiful handmade things into the frame and you can just stand it on your desk or you can decorate your work area. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking white color cardstock to create the frame base, which is 18 by 18 centimeters, and from all four sides I have creased at 1.5 centimeters. So I am just cutting this frame using my X-Acto knife or paper cutter. And the frame is ready. With the similar measurements, I have created one more frame using Kraft Cardstock. So I'm just sticking both the frames together to make it more sturdy. Like this. Then to give dimension to the frame from back side, we need to create some sides. So for this I am taking this white color cardstock strip which measures 15.7 by 1 centimeters, and we need to join few strips together to create thick bunch. Similarly, I am going to add some more. So after adding, the width is 0.7 centimeters. And here I have added total 15 strips together of 300 GSM cardstock. So it will come in the bottom. And similarly, I have created two more in little bigger size. And this measures 18 by 1 centimeters. So in this way, we need 3 thick strips. Now taking back my frame and I am going to stick these thick strips from back side on 3 sides. So the frame which I am going to share with you today is only for 3 mm 2D projects. That means 3 mm strips 2D projects. But if you want more dimension, you can just add few more strips and you can convert it till the 1 inch of the height. So it's all up to you how much depth you want in your frame. This is just a basic idea. And also if you want to protect your work from dust, before applying these sticks, just add acetate sheet or OHP sheet with your frame from back side and then stick these strips from 3 sides. So this is done. Now here I am taking 18 by 18 centimeter Kraft Cardstock square and white cardstock and sticking both the pieces together to create sturdy base. And this is ready. Then taking back my frame and just sticking it on back side. So adding glue only on these thick strips from 3 sides and then sticking my cardstock square on top of this. So our basic frame is completely ready. Now to create stand, here I am taking 43 by 4 cm white cardstock strip, and from left side I have creased at 5 cm, 22, 29 and 36 cm, and after folding it should look like this. Very easy. Then just in the center part I am adding one more Kraft Cardstock strip to make it more sturdy, because we are going to add 3D project inside this, so it must hold the weight of the frame nicely. So to give it little more strength, I am adding here one more strip. Now folding it like this and just trimming the excess cardstock if there is any, and then adding glue on these folded parts from top and in the bottom, and sticking from backside of our frame exactly in the center. Burnish it nicely with bone folder. And the frame with stand is ready, like this. Very easy. Now you can simply slide any of your design into the frame, and I'm just showing you one of the example where I am taking simple white sheet. So this is the frame for 3D projects or 2D projects, but you can also slide normal photograph also inside this. So the base size is little larger than the frame, and I'm showing you one more example with my 2D mandala quilling project, and see how easily we can slide through the frame. Do it gently, and now it's good to decorate your work area. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.